Hi, I'm Paul Kirwin for Channel Signal. Now, in our last video, we talked about product launches and how product reviews affect those product launches and what a hard metric it is. Today, what we're going to do is we're doing a SWOT analysis on Nike FuelBand as it compared to Fitbit and Jawbone. And as you know, these are running devices that track distance and those kind of things. So Nike FuelBand was launched in 2012. In 2014, it was considered a failure inside the company and half their workforce was fired. Now, had Nike perhaps tracked product reviews and perhaps used Channel Signal, certainly Channel Signal would have been able to take a look at Fitbit and Jawbone and tell them what consumers were saying about what they liked and what they didn't like about each product. And they could have done that either before the product launch, during the product launch, or after the product launch. So let's take a look at Fitbit. Strengths. Heart rate monitor, it's very good. It tracks steps, calories, sleep cycle, distance. It's waterproof. The weaknesses, data inaccuracies, non-run and walk accuracy. If you're not running or you're not walking, well, then it doesn't do a very good job. The opportunity for Nike is Nike looked at Fitbit, perhaps Nike said, it's our brand. Now, let's take a look at the threats. Large market share. Fact is, Fitbit had a large market share, and it was going to, that's a major issue. 85% of the reviews either came from Fitbit.com or Amazon.com, which was also really critical because a lot of people were writing about it, probably positive. Let's take a look at Jawbone. The strengths: smart coach, get off the couch, sleep tracking, nutrient tracking, the battery strengths. Those were all things that consumers were talking about with regard to Jawbone. What were they talking about with regard to the weaknesses? Not waterproof, which is a problem. Problems with the clasp, more money. These are real weaknesses. The opportunity again that Nike saw, Nike brand, we go into a new vertical, we're going to do really well because we're Nike. And the threats, again, the large market share. Jawbone had momentum. They also had really positive media coverage. So when you take a look at all of this and you think to yourself, okay, if I'm a brand and if I'm launching a product, what do you have to fix? You've got to fix the weaknesses. Data inaccuracy. It's not good in run walk. It's not waterproof. It's a higher price point. Problems with the clasp. Those are the things you've got to fix. What do you have to improve? You've got to improve the heart rate monitor. You've got to improve the accuracy with regard to tracking, with regard to distance, calories, etc. So improve the strengths and fix the weaknesses. And that's the reason why product reviews are so important, either before a product launch, during a product launch, or during the sales cycle. I'm Paul Kirwin for Channel Signal. Thanks for watching.